Yesterday I got a good present. A customer that I did a job for them in California wrote a review on Google. This review is number 122. 5-star reviews. And Mrs. Teresa T wrote me a wonderful review. This is a present for my new year. I was really surprised with the review. However, her drapery was so bad that I'm so appreciate her review. My name is Meir Martin. I'm the owner of PetPeePee. When you have a problem like this, please don't try to clean it yourself because it's almost impossible to remove the odor. Everybody can clean the drapery. However, to remove the urine odor, it's almost impossible. I develop a cleaning process, contain a blended minerals from the Dead Sea, then it's a total odor-free. And this revolutionary cleaning will remove the urine odor completely, permanently, without damaging the high quality drapery fiber. Thank you very much for watching PetPeePee video. Cleaning drapery from urine odor by Meir Martin. Thank you.
My dog peed on the carpet.